Here is another video on changing a decimal number into a fraction. Now, a decimal number, as we have learned already, that the decimal separates the whole number and the fractional part. So this is my whole number, and here is my fractional part. Well, when I want to change that and write this into a fraction, the first part is my whole number. So we have what we call a mixed number, because a mixed number has a whole number, and then it has a fraction. And the fraction is made out of the last part of my decimal, which in this case would be 25 hundredths. Well, everything that's behind the decimal becomes my numerator, 25. And the place value that I say, because I say the last digit's place value, is my denominator. So 3 and 25 hundredths equals 3 and 25 hundredths. Notice when you read them, they sound the same. There is a difference here. There's a decimal in this number, and there's no decimal in this number. And of course, 25 is written after the decimal here, and it's written in fractional form here. And right here is the fraction. Let's look at this one. Here's my whole number part. Here is my fractional part. Okay, well, when we write this as a fraction, we hear 4 tenths. So I see right here that this is my 4 and this is my tenths, because that's I'm writing the fractional part. But you say there is a whole number here, and the whole number is 0. Well, what we have is a ghost 0. We just don't really put it there. But here's where the whole number would be, and here's where the fraction would be. And you notice the fraction 4 tenths. The 4 sits in the tenths place. Everything behind the decimal is in the numerator. Let's look at this last number. We say it 13 and 4 hundredths. Once again, here's my whole number part. Here's my fractional part. So my whole number part would go in front, and notice how big it is. It's the height of the whole entire fraction. And whatever says fraction, I'm going to make a fraction out of. So the number I read after the decimal is 4, and the place value is hundredths. So here it is. Whoops. Look, I made a mistake there. Here is my whole number. Here is my fractional part. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video. Watch it as often as you need to.